चाइनीज रिमाइंडर थ्योरम इसके ऊपर बात करनी है और इसको थोड़ा सा तेजी से रैप अप कर लेता हूँ। सबसे पहले आपके पास कॉन्ग्रुएंस इक्वेशंस गिवन होंगी और कॉन्ग्रुएंस इक्वेशंस को आपने सॉल्व इस तरह से करना है बेसिकली कि 2x is congruent to 3 mod 5. So be this is called divisors and this is actually remainders and these are the quotients. Remember the point. And next हमें करना ये है कि जो भी फैक्टर्स गिवन है उसे x की वैल्यू ऑब्टेन करते हैं। स्टेप नंबर 1 एंड हाउ कैन वी ऑब्टेन 5 का टेबल आप रीड करना शुरू करेंगे तरह से 5 mod 5 is remainder is 0. Remainder thing is 0 if we divide 5 mod 5. तो हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2x plus 0 is 2x. 5 plus 3 is 8 mod 5 or x is congruent to by using theorem 4 mod 5. So this is how we obtain value of x. Similarly, 5x is congruent to 7 mod 3. Now here we read table of 3. The table of 3 is 3 mod 3 और 7 plus 3 is 10 mod 3. अगर ये डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा होता तो हम आगे रीड करते रहते 3 2s are 9 9 लिख देते हैं 3 3s are 9 हो जाता 3 2s are 6 3 3s are 9 और so on and 5x or here we have congruence equation x congruence to 2 mod 3 and here we have a divisor 3 and here we have a divisor 5. Now finally अगर आप नोट कर रहे हो तो we have this is called m1 is 5 and this is called a1 that is 4. Similarly this is called m2 that is 3. This is called a2 that is 2. Now for next step we have to find capital M. Capital M is equals to m1 times m2 that would be equals to 5 times 3 that is 15 and then we have to find m capital M1. Capital M1 is equals to capital M divided by small m1 that would be equals to 5 dot 3. Capital M value small m is actually 5 so capital M1 is 3. Similarly capital M2 is actually equals to capital M divided by M2 and 5 dot 3 divided by 3 that would be 5. So finally we have capital M1, capital M2, and capital M. Now the last step sorry हमारे पास होगा वो इनवर्स इक्वेशंस कैलकुलेट करनी है एंड इनवर्स इक्वेशन जो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो कुछ इस तरह से कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि phi I mi is equals to 1 mod mi. I is representing number of congruence equations. Here we have 2. So for 1 y1 m1 equals to 1 mod m1. Now finally we have basically y1 is actually equals to m1 M1 is 3 and 1 mod small m1 is 5. We have equation. Now finding the value of y. Therefore, we have value of y is equal to 1 mod 5 है. अब मैं इसको जो है वो बेसिकली मूव करूंगा इस तरह से यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर 0 बन जाए. तो रिमाइंडर 0 इस तरह से बनेगा 5 mod 5 ले लो. Now 5 mod 5 is 6 mod 5 or y1 is equal to 2 mod 5. 3 to the 6. Finally, we have equation that is y1. Similarly, अगर हम y2 के लिए पुट करेंगे m2 is equals to 1 mod m2. m2 capital M2 is 5. y2 is equals to 1 mod small m2. Small m2 is 0 3 mod. If we add 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 is not divisible by 5. So we take actually 6. We do the 6 mod 3. So obviously will be divisible in 6 plus 1 7. 7 is not divisible. Then we took 9. If we took 9 mod 3, that is actually equals to 5. y2 is equals to 10 mod 3, or we have y2 equals to 2 mod 3. Then we have 2. Now, hence, this term is actually called b1. This term is called b2. So finally, we have a1, that is actually 4, a2, that is 2, small m1, 5, small m2, that is 3, b1 is 2, and b2 is also 2. Capital M is 15, capital M1 is 3, capital M2 is 5. So all the values have now x equals to A1, B1, M1 plus A2, B2, small m1, small m2, mod capital M. X equals to A1 is actually equals to 4. B1 is actually equals to 2, and small m1 is equals to 5, plus a2 is actually equals to 2. b2 is actually 2, small m2 3, and mod capital M is 15. And finally, we have, if we want to calculate f fx, and fx is actually equals to, or fx is equals to न्यूमरेटर कर रहा हूँ 4 2 the 8 डायरेक्टली इसके अंदर वैल्यू पुट कर देता हूँ। 4 टाइम्स 2 टाइम्स बेसिकली 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 that will equals to 52 more 15 52 mod 15 और अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करना चाहें तो और कर दें 15 52 एंड 52 मीन्स आप 15 2 the 30 15 3 the actually 15 times 3 नहीं हो रहा है 15 times 3 45 and 15 times 3 45 remainder we have 5 6 7 so you can say it also congruent to 7 mod 15 7 mod 15 is also equals to this तो आप यहाँ पे भी आंसर छोड़ सकते हैं और यहाँ पर इसकी डिविजिबिलिटी पर ये चाइनीज रिमाइंडर थ्योरम हो गया। तो अगर कैरेक्टर्स बढ़ जाएंगे तो फिर आप उसको इस तरह से भी सॉल्व कर सकते